What's up everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today we're gonna be talking about how to make pipe cleaner action figures that can actually move. Now if you've seen my videos in the past, we know that these are actually pretty posable. As you can see here, it actually moves really well and you can pose it in different ways. But I decided that that was not good enough. And so I came up with a new system with things that actually have joints. Now I got a lot of comments on this because people were confused on why does it look so complicated. Solomon, I don't know how to make that. But I want to show you how easy it actually is to make it by yourself. And making joints only takes about 2 pipe cleaners. All you have to start with is making this little joint system right here, with this just one pipe cleaner that goes in a circle, and then you make this right here. Wrap it around here and then make a second part that goes just like this. Once you have that, you take another pipe cleaner and you're just gonna thread it through just like this, and then you're gonna very carefully squeeze it like this. You're gonna wrap it right at the end, and literally just like that, you have a leg that moves. It's that simple. Mine just happens to be on a bigger scale. Now, of course, you can add your own designs to it. I like to put a little knee pad in front of mine so that the leg isn't just going crazy. And the arms are literally the exact same thing. And this technique makes it so that you can actually move it and it won't wear and tear and break down over time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful. Make sure that you're liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. I love you, but Jesus loves you more.